Making selections. Using the selection tool in Illustrator CX6, you will need to use the selection tool often. So it's crucial to understand what it does and how to use it. To select an object, choose the selection tool from the toolbox and click on the object you wish to select. When the object is selected, you can move, transform, and change its properties. Some selections may be easier to make by creating a marquee around the object. To make a marquee selection, do the following. 1. Choose the selection tool from the toolbar. 2. Click and drag the selection tool over multiple objects to select them all. Note: by holding down Shift, you can make multiple marquee selections. Duplicating objects. To duplicate objects, do the following. 1. Select the object you wish to duplicate. 2. Hold the Alt, Windows, or Option Mac OS key on the keyboard as you click the drag the object to another position on the artboard. 3. Once you release, a duplicate will show up where the object has been moved.